Welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for content creators, YouTube monetization. If you're passionate about creating content and looking to turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to monetize your YouTube channel, from ad revenue to memberships and sponsored content. First up, let's talk about ad revenue. YouTube's partner program allows eligible creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. To qualify, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Once you meet the requirements, you can enable monetization on your channel and start earning money from ads. Just keep in mind that the amount you earn can vary based on factors like your niche, audience demographics, and engagement rate. Next, let's talk about memberships. YouTube memberships allow your viewers to become paying members of your channel in exchange for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. Memberships not only provide an additional revenue stream but also foster a sense of community and loyalty among your audience. So, don't hesitate to offer valuable perks to your members and show them appreciation for their support. Last but not least, sponsored content can be a lucrative way to monetize your YouTube channel. Brands are often willing to pay creators to promote their products or services to their audience. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and creativity. But by leveraging multiple revenue streams like ad revenue, memberships, and sponsored content, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a sustainable income. And that wraps up our YouTube monetization guide. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to monetizing your channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on video marketing and social media. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling.